Shmai, hello, my name is Charlotte and I'm the contemporary teacher on the Duets programme at Pillgwenlly School, Newport.
Hi, I'm Louise and I'm the ballet practitioner at Pillgwenlly Primary School for the Duets programme. The school is based in Pillgwenlly, or Pill as it's known locally, in Newport, and it has a large intake of pupils from many different backgrounds.
The sessions, funded by the Arts Council of Wales and the Paul Hamlyn Foundation, have a strong technical foundation, allowing the children to learn skills that may not have been accessible to them before joining the course. I work alongside Louise, a ballet teacher from Ballet Cymru, to deliver engaging, dynamic and creative sessions for the selected children.
The first time I went into Pillgwenlly Primary was for the selection process for the Duets programme. And what really stood out to us was the talent of all the children, which made it a really difficult process selecting who would be on the programme. You had arabesque legs right in the air, you had the best stretched feet I've ever seen, you had jumps that just flew. It was so difficult to choose, but we did choose and we're really proud of the scholars that are on our programme now.
Having the opportunity to learn two dance styles opens their eyes to the industry. For some, this is the first time that they have thought about the arts as a possible career option. I personally love when we have the dancers from Ballet Cymru come in and the children are in awe of the dancers.
The exposure that they have to working so closely with Ballet Cymru, with a professional company, at this stage for them is brilliant. They get a lot of opportunity.
The children generally can't believe that these dancers from all different cultures and backgrounds get paid to dance and travel the world. The amount of questions that come out of their mouths is amazing to hear.
With this group of scholars in particular, what I'm always amazed at is how quickly they pick up the movements and apply the technique as well. And it's not easy to do, but they really just absorb it from watching. They pick up on all the corrections and they apply it straight away. So they have been progressing really, really well.
The second half of the sessions are all about creativity. Whether we give the children a creative task, a way in to make their own choreography, or just an explore through improvisation, I personally feel this is the part of the class that the children absolutely adore and they never cease to amaze me.
One session that I loved was the session where the children got their t-shirts for the first time. They were really excited and their faces just lit up seeing them, and I think it's because of what the t-shirt signifies. It shows that they are part of this programme, that they have been selected, they've been chosen to be part of this programme. When they're wearing it, they're part of a team, we're part of a team. They love their t-shirts. I love their t-shirts.
One of my fondest memories was an improvisation lesson and seeing the children completely get lost in the music, a skill that even for some professional dancers is a challenge. The confidence of our pupils we can see evolve weekly, and it's so refreshing to see, especially for the girls that started so shy and so quiet. You can really see how engaged they are in class from the way they question, explore, and the smiles that are constantly on their faces.
They learn the rewards and the benefits of hard work because they can see their progression. They can see how far they've come. And by the end of the term, when they're showing their family and friends what they've learned, they realise, oh yeah, I've learned a lot. Look how far we've come as a group. And that's really special.